Thiruppaavai Pasuram 4. In the earlier Pasurams, Andal gently awakened our hearts. She disciplined our minds, guiding us to see beyond the ordinary and expanded our vision of God. She showed us that devotion is not mere ritual but a conscious alignment of life with divine rhythm. Now, in the fourth Pasuram, Andal moves beyond instruction. She speaks directly to nature itself. Yes, she does something very profound here. She addresses the rain-bearing clouds as if they were conscious beings capable of listening and participating in the divine play. The Pasuram begins with these beautiful words, Aalai Malai Kanna Ondru Nee Kai Karavel. Here, Andal is calling upon the clouds that bring rain. Notice how she does not simply pray for the rain in a casual sense. She treats nature as alive, vibrant and sensitive. In Bharatiya thought, nature is never lifeless. Every river, every tree, every drop of rain carries consciousness. The wind, the clouds, even the soil, they respond to human consciousness. Andal does not ask for uncontrolled rain. She does not ask for a flood that destroys. She does not ask for drought that starves. She asks for a balanced rain. Rain that fills the lake, nourishes the field and sustains life without causing destruction. In doing so, she teaches us something extraordinary but powerful. The spiritual lesson here is subtle but powerful. Divinity is balance. Spiritual maturity is understanding how much is enough. In life, too much of anything leads to imbalance. Too much desire creates anxiety. Too much attachment creates fear. Too much ambition leads to restlessness. Andal's words remind us that a wise devotee does not blindly ask for more. She offers insightful prayers not for excess, not for scarcity, but for what is truly necessary. Let us imagine the scene Andal describes. Clouds swelling with water, thunder roaring, lightning flashing and rain pouring abundantly across the land. This is not merely a description of nature's power. These are symbols of divine grace. When the divine grace depends upon our life, it is powerful. When the divine grace descends upon our life, it is powerful. It shakes the old pattern, dissolves stagnation, and brings freshness and renewal. Just as the rain revitalizes the earth, divine grace rejuvenates our hearts, our thoughts, and our action. Reciting this Pasuram daily is like inviting balance into our lives. It encourages us to release excess tension, to let go of what is unnecessary, and to cultivate inner stability. Each word of Andal reminds us to live in harmony with the rhythm of nature, to respect its intelligence, and to seek alignment rather than domination. We can also reflect on the practical lessons here. When we plan our lives, when we set our goals, when we nurture relationship, remember the principle of balance is vital. Excessive ambition without rest leads to burnout. Excessive caution without courage leads to stagnation. Excessive craving without gratitude leads to dissatisfaction. Andal teaches us to pray wisely, act wisely, and live wisely. So, Pasuram 4 is more than a prayer to the clouds. It is prayer to life itself. It teaches us ask for grace with wisdom, life with balance, and align with nature. When balance enters life, peace follows naturally. The body feels light, the mind feels clear, and the heart feels expansive. This is promise Andal offers in her fourth Pasuram. Let us then, as devotees, reflect on these words as we recite this Pasuram. Let us feel the clouds within ourselves, the clouds of emotion, the clouds of thought, and the clouds of desire. Let us invite them to pour grace, to nourish, to refresh, but not overwhelm. Let us align with wisdom, Andal, allowing the rhythm of nature and the rhythm of divine to flow within us so that our life becomes prospective and productive. Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu.